In this lab simulation from my network routing class, what I am going to be doing is I'm going to configure DNS addresses. I'm supposed to be using a static DNS server address with 3 DNS server addresses. Put them in order, then use the HTTP addresses. Use the HTTP for IP addresses and default gateway information. So in this scenario, what I'm doing is I'm helping a college roommate configure his internet in his dorm room. So to get started, I'm going to right click the start button, go to network connections. Let's expand this. I want to go to Ethernet, change adapter options, expand this. Right click the Ethernet and go to properties. So for this one, we're not going to use the IPv6 for this one. We're actually using the IPv4. And we're going to click properties. And in here you can see we're going to, it gives you the different options, either to use certain IP addresses or certain DNS servers. So what we're going to do is, since we're using the DNS servers, we're going to go ahead and click Advanced here. We're going to select the DNS tab. And then we're going to click the Add button. And then we're going to add in the 3 DNS server addresses, which first one is 208.67.222.222. To click Add. Click Add again. We're going to do the next one, which is 208.67.222.220. Click Add, and then we're going to add in the last one, which is 208.67.220.123. Click. So now that we have all 3 DNS server addresses added, what we're going to do is go ahead and back out and click OK. We want to validate validate my settings upon exit. Click OK, close it, and that's how you set up or configure DNS addresses, or configure more than one DNS address if you're using, if you're on a campus, or if you're just using it in general or in a business. And that is how I handled that in this lab. Thanks.